Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the row and picking anchor points, posts or stakes spaced about 1 to 1, 5 m apart. Once done, cut the green net to match those measurements, leaving a 10 to 20 cm overlap at each end so you can tie and tension. Make sure the net height suits the crop, 1/2 to 2 m typically, taller for climbing beans. Now attach one end to a fixed post, pull the net along the row, and hold it taut for the next steps. Once the net is stretched, secure top and bottom edges with UV-resistant twine or plastic clips every 30 to 50 cm so the mesh won't gap. If the span is long, add vertical support poles between main anchors. This preserves tension and prevents sagging as plants grow. You should guide young stems into the nearest mesh openings, weaving them gently through. Make sure to space training so leaves get light. Adjust rows when vines start to concentrate in one section, and retention, the net if it loosens. To finish, walk the row and check tension, ties, and posts. Tighten anything loose and trim overcrowded growth so the net carries weight evenly. Once plants climb, harvest selectively and prune to prevent weak branches from tearing mesh. If sagging or a tear appears, stop and fix it immediately. Add a temporary stake under sagging areas, stitch small tiers with twine, or patch with extra netting. If damage is widespread or UV degradation exceeds 1/3, replace the net for reliable support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.